Can you use Apple gift card on Fortnite? Today we will talk about if you can use Apple gift card to buy Fortnite V-Bucks. Well, unfortunately, you won't be able to use your Apple gift card to buy Fortnite V-Bucks because Apple gift card can only be redeemed on Apple devices and you won't be able to, use those Apple funds to buy Fortnite V-Bucks because Fortnite is not available on Apple devices anymore. However, the thing that you can try is if you haven't redeemed your Apple gift card, you can actually try to, flip or sell your gift card. So how can you do that? So for that, you simply have to go to this website called as raisemarketplace.com, which should be raise.com. Now this website allows you to buy and sell, gift cards. However, this is not available in my region, but in your region it should be. You just have to go it and list your Apple gift card. If someone makes a purchase, he will pay you on your bank account and you can use those funds make a purchase on Fortnite. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.